Alright, so there's her head. Here's her tail. She's wrapped around the inside of her water bowl. And she won't come out. Come on. Come on. Ah! I have to clean your water bowl. Get out! Woman! Hold on, I just need to pull or gently tug. Okay, there's her tail. She's fighting me! I can't do this! Josh, help me! Where's her head? Oh. Okay. Whatever. Okay, you can turn it off. Maybe if you put her on the bed, she'll come out. Come on. Come out. I think she's mad. Get out! Come on. Come on. Just... almost got it. Hold on. Aha. Please don't bite me. Okay, now she's gone.